Hi, if you're anything like anyone who's ever not succeeded with a diet, I'm willing to bet boredom was a big culprit. You see, it's easy to get into a rut and start eating the same thing over and over, feel frustrated, and then give up. This is especially true with a plant-based diet, easily the hottest diet in the world right now because it limits nearly all processed and many restaurant foods. Now, the reason is because you can finally get all the amazing benefits of eating a plant-based diet, including faster fat burning, glowing skin, unlimited energy, muscle tone, better mood and more without ever getting bored. How? I'm glad you asked. Check out this page. Make sure to go grab your copy because it instantly helps you eliminate number one block many people have to truly thriving on an all plant-based diet. On that page, you'll see how there's actually endless variety of rich, mouth-watering plant-based meals you can eat. But that's only true if you have the right recipes and food prep skills, which you'll get inside this new cookbook. So check it out. I'm good friends with the guys who run the plant-based community and helped put this book together. I assure you, they're the real deal and this book truly delivers. It includes 100 mouth-watering plant-based recipes, plus bonuses that help you thrive and eat like a king every single day. The link below to get your copy. It will be one of the best decisions you ever made for your health. Talk soon. Make sure to go grab your copy.